Hi everyone, myself Naveen Puri. So I'll be coming directly to the point. And for your kind information, the title of the video is not a clickbait. इसमें कुछ झूठ नहीं है. मैं आप लोगों को सब कुछ with proof. That's the proofs in this video. Why my protein should not be considered buying if we are a bodybuilder or generally we use protein. So and we can have really better options than my protein. So how my protein is fooling us? So as you know that my protein is endorsed by every other famous Indian YouTuber, and I was also very influenced to buy this protein brand. Daily serving I consume is 1 scoop a day, and sometimes two, but mostly one. Rest I believe in completing my protein through diet only. The price of my protein in India, it usually varies from around 4,200 rupees to 5,000 for a 2.5 kg concentrate. It's a premium price basically. It's not cheap, first of all. It's a premium price, as it's a foreign brand, would pay a premium, definitely. That's okay. But why I was paying a premium for my protein is because it was a test. Number one, it was, first of all, it was tested by Labdoor. लैबडोर जिनको नहीं पता, एक ग्लोबल लैब है जिसकी सर्टिफिकेशन अगर किसी को मिल गई तो या इट इज़ ट्रस्ट वर्दी दैट व्हाट वी आर कंज्यूमिंग इज़ राइट बिकॉज हम इतना हार्डवर्क करते हैं जिम में कंसिस्टेंटली डेडिकेटेडली, राइट, एंड वी डिज़र्व गुड सप्लीमेंट. ठीक है, चाहे वो एक सर्विंग हो, दो हो, आधी हो, राइट. तो it was Labrador certified, and it was Informed Sports, which is world's most genuine brand to trust for testing of doping banned substances, right? So my protein was certified by both of them, and that was great. So then I only was ready to pay the premium, but here is a bit where we all Indians fall. One influencer marketed my protein, and I believed him or her. Then I went on their website. I saw the certification. I saw that it is Informed Sports certified, Labdo certified. That's fine, great. I buy it, and I use it for around 1 to 1.5 years, and I got good results. I never faced any problem. But what happened when I placed my last order? There was a picking slip in my box of my protein. I have the pictures, I have the proof, I'll attach. तो मेरे पास वो पिकिंग स्लिप थी, उस पर एक ऑर्डर नंबर था मेरे प्रोडक्ट का और एक डेट ऑफ एक्सपायरेशन थी प्रोडक्ट की. तो मैंने कहा चलो देखते हैं ये मेरे पैकेट से मैच कर रहा है या नहीं. एंड आई वॉज रियली शॉक्ड कि वो मेरे पैकेट से मैच नहीं कर रहा था. एंड आई थॉट देयर इज़ समथिंग फिशी इन दिस थिंग. तो मैंने वो चीज़ माई प्रोटीन को मेल की और उनके कॉन्टैक्ट बॉक्स में मैंने सब कॉन्टैक्ट किया. तो उन्होंने कहा कि दीज प्रोडक्ट्स आर सेफ टू यूज़ एंड वी हैव चेक्ड एंड ऑल दैट थिंग. बट वाई दिस थिंग हैपन्ड? बैच नंबर ही डिफरेंट था और मोर ओवर एक्सपायरी डेट ही डिफरेंट थी उस पैकेट से. तो मेरे दिमाग में तो कुछ खटका कि यार ये क्या हुआ है, मतलब इट्स सच अ बिग ब्रांड एंड सच बिग थिंग. देन व्हाट आई डिड, आई रिसर्च्ड ओवर माई प्रोटीन. सबसे पहले मैंने देखा कि लैबडोर पे जो माई प्रोटीन की सर्टिफिकेशन है, इट इज़ एक्सपायर्ड 3 years ago. It was last certified in 2018, and still they use on their website that it's Labdoor certified. Then okay, that's fine. Then I went on Informed Sports. Then I checked on Informed Sports. The products certified were only UK's product, not Indian. And any Indian protein is not certified, neither on Informed Sports and nor on Labdoor, which was very shocking. And they are still using a very big badges on their website that they are certified, they are tested. And that's fine, that's legal because they are actually certified, and the date is not mentioned and the country is not mentioned. And then why we are paying so much of a premium for such a product which is not certified from any reputed laboratory? They are spending all of their money on marketing, only and only marketing. As you can see, from 2018, my protein started endorsing almost every other popular Indian YouTuber. And that's fine. If their product is good, it's good to market it. But what they have sacrificed is the certifications, the safety, the trust. And we Indians, we are really fool, to be honest. We get really emotionally attached to a person कि वो कुछ भी बोलेंगे और हम लोग बिलीव कर लेते हैं, and which is not really a good thing. And हमें ये चीज़ समझनी चाहिए बिफोर बाइंग अ प्रोडक्ट. वी शुड बी अ स्मार्ट कंज्यूमर कि अगर कोई बोल रहा है कि वो प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है, अगर कोई ट्रस्टेबल पर्सन जिसे हम ट्रस्ट करते हैं, इन्फ्लुएंसर को या किसी को भी, तो स्टिल हमें उस चीज़ पे रिसर्च करनी चाहिए अच्छे से. And I really feel guilty that I used that protein from last 1 to 1.5 years, and I suggested that same protein to my other friends. So that's all I wanted to tell you guys. So अब सब लोग बोलेंगे यार ठीक है तूने बता दिया कि ये बकवास है, ठीक है. इसका ऑल्टरनेटिव ये है कि अगर आप 2,200 रुपीज़ या 2,000 अबव रुपीज़ 1 किलो के प्रोटीन के लिए पर मंथ पे जस्ट फॉर 30 to 40 सर्विंग्स आप पे कर रहे हो, किसके लिए पे कर रहे हो? क्योंकि किसी सेलिब्रिटी ने वो या किसी इन्फ्लुएंसर ने वो कहा है तभी उसकी प्राइस हाई है. सो आई डोंट थिंक सो कि ये चीज़ कंसिडर भी करनी चाहिए, बिकॉज इट्स आवर हेल्थ. उनकी हेल्थ पे कुछ अफेक्ट नहीं होगा कि अगर हम कोई गलत प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करेंगे, ठीक है. तो अब अगर उसके पास कोई सर्टिफिकेशन नहीं है तो हम कोई भी इंडियन ब्रांड चूज़ कर सकते हैं प्रोटीन का, एंड दैट कॉस्ट ओनली 1,300 to 1,400 रुपीज़ अ मंथ. एंड वो उनके पास थर्ड पार्टी टेस्टिंग रिपोर्ट भी होती है रिसेंट, राइट. तो इतना प्रीमियम पे ही क्यों करना? मैं तो इतना प्रीमियम तो पे कर रहा था बिकॉज इट वॉज सर्टिफाइड, बिकॉज मैं उस पर ट्रस्ट कर सकता था, मैं रिलाई कर सकता था. और मैंने ये चीज़ देखी तो I decided never to use my protein until unless it gets certified again. ठीक है. Now what is the solution? What is the alternative? So I went on Informed Sports official website. I found any Indian whey protein which is certified over there. So I found a company named Genetic Nutrition. They have Bio Whey, which is a very good whey. A bit expensive, but it's very good. It's certified recently. I mean, it's up to date with Informed Sports, and the source of the ingredients is very great. It's organic and it is sweetened naturally. We'll be not getting chemical sweeteners in our body, so that product is a very good one. And to be honest, I don't have any problem with any of the brands, or I'm not endorsed or associated with any brands. मैं तो just I haven't made any YouTube video अभी तक. मैंने जस्ट ये यूट्यूब वीडियो बनाई है ताकि people should get aware. Not only in whey protein यार, हर चीज़ के लिए, every company claim अगर वो कर रही है तो we should verify it first rather than just listening to some big person, right? उनको पैसा मिल रहा है, they have to run their families, they'll do it, right? Who don't want money? But we should be aware enough. So I hope this information will be useful for you, and that's it. And मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि my protein गलत हो गया कुछ. It's just that I can't trust any brand who invests more money on marketing rather than certifications or testing. I hope you understand. So yeah, that was it. Thank you very much. Naveen Puri signing off. Bye bye.